In this video, I'm going to show you how to use LuxAlgo reversal signals. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to sign into your account, or of course create one if you don't have one yet, and then click on the library up top right. And inside your library, go to search indicators and type in reversal, so like this. Signals, there we go, and then it's going to pop up a bunch of different things, and as you can see here, the reversal signals are the first one, so click on them, and then here you'll be able to see kind of the preview on the chart. You can go ahead and see what this looks like, and if you scroll even further down, you'll be able to basically see the full explanation, how it works and stuff like that. So if you want to master it, make sure you do read that, and then up here to use it, it will give you access to the following platforms. Now, you can use it on TradingView, NinjaTrader, and Thinkorswim. Select the one you want, for example, like NinjaTrader, it's going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add it. So just follow this and you should be good to go no matter which platform you select. But if you just want to quickly use it and get right into it, just click on TradingView here and click on Get Access, because I do think it's the easiest to set up. Click on Get Access again. And then in here, there we go, we're directed to TradingView, where you have to sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. Then go to below this chart and click on Use on Chart. And this is where you're going to be able to now use your reversal signals from LuxAlgo very easily. So as you can see, there we go, it's already popping up. If it's not showing for you, go ahead and select a different time interval over here, because on some of them it won't be showing as well, as you can see. And then if you want to change anything, you can just go to up here where you can see the kind of the indicator, and then want to go to the right, click on settings, and then you can change different settings here to basically make it according to your own preference. Now, whenever you've done that, you can then go ahead and use the indicator to basically do your own analysis of your chart. So that's how to use it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.